Good morning, team. Today I want to briefly discuss an important chemical contaminant called sulfuric acid and some of the things that you need to know as public health professionals. So we will get started on this safety training video presentation. Okay, so what is sulfuric acid? It's a highly corrosive, strong acid that's used in manufacturing, cleaning, and laboratories. It can cause severe burns and respiratory issues. It's found in batteries, fertilizers, and industrial chemicals. Some of the health hazards of sulfuric acid come in the form of inhalation, which can irritate the lungs, causing coughing and breathing difficulties, especially in those who may already suffer from respiratory issues such as asthma. Skin contact, which causes severe burns and blisters. Eye contact can lead to blindness if untreated, and ingestion, which can damage internal organs and be fatal. So there are things we can do to help prevent exposure in the first place. That's going to be always wearing PPE, such as gloves, goggles, protective clothing, using fume hoods or ventilated areas, store in a labeled corrosion-resistant container, and then always follow workplace safety protocols and emergency procedures. Some of the first aid measures that can be taken will be for inhalation. It would be move to fresh air immediately and seek medical help. Skin contact, rinsing with copious water for at least 15 minutes. For eye contact, flush eyes with water for at least 15 minutes. And ingestion, it is not recommended to induce vomiting, but just to seek emergency help, medical help emergencies immediately. So for emergency response, there's going to be evacuating the area if a large spill occurs, using neutralizing agents such as sodium bicarbonate, which is better known as baking soda, wearing protective PPE, for handling spills, report all exposures and spills immediately. So the final takeaway for this presentation is going to be that sulfuric acid is a serious chemical contaminant, not an infectious agent, but still a major public health concern. And that exposure can lead to severe health effects requiring rapid response and medical care. Preparedness and training in contaminant, first aid, and decontamination can save lives. So let's just make sure we all stay informed and prepared, and thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.